biggest challenge we've got is there are some parts of the airfield where we can't get in for a number of weeks. With airport operations, we're typically working at night in a 6-hour window. We're under pressure with time, and we have to be out of there because aircraft that are coming in have already taken off from overseas. We've got a really good track record with ANTOUN in being on time, giving us the quality, working safely, and at the end of the shift you wouldn't know they'd been there.
We've really enjoyed working with Melbourne Airport over the last 10 years. We've delivered over 150 rapid set slabs, first of all starting off on the apron areas and taxiways, and for the first time we've been able to deliver rapid set slabs on their main critical runway 1634. ANTOUN and Melbourne Airport have really worked hard over the last 10 years to develop and enhance the rapid set technology, been able to work on improving the times to which we actually are shortening the windows, and we're also achieving significant strength at an early stage. What's also really good is that we've been able to work with some really great consultants like AECOM to further develop and enhance the product and make sure that it's something that within the Australian market is becoming really a household name.
AECOM were the designer for this project. We were set a very unique challenge by Melbourne Airport to deliver slab replacements across the airfield in very different circumstances, from taxiways to runways. Early contractor involvement really was the most unique part of the project in my mind, and it was behind the success of the project. What it meant was that from very early stages of the design, and once we scoped up what the works were, we had sat down with ANTOUN and Melbourne Airport, and we worked through a collaborative approach to being able to design and then deliver the project, looking at scenario planning so that when we're out in the airfield and if something didn't quite go to plan, we only had a really constrained window to be able to resolve that. So we had to have a number of scenarios sorted out. If, say, the adjoining slab was not quite as what we expected, we had a scenario that we could still connect into that slab, still be able to open up the runway or the taxiway to be safe for aircraft to traffic and actually not compromise the design.
So within a 6-hour window, we'd demolish, saw cut, demolish, replace, finish and achieve strength within a concrete slab that's 7.62 by 7.62 by 625 mil in depth. So it's one of the largest slabs in the world that get poured. The time of year that we actually performed the works was during winter. So we're actually pouring concrete in conditions that were under 3 degrees Celsius and still achieving strength. So that was one of the main constraints and challenges. The project saw a world first where we saw cut, demolished, replaced the same slab within a single shift.
I think our pavement maintenance project this winter was successful because of the collaboration between ourselves at Melbourne Airport, our consultants AECOM and our contractor ANTOUN. It was under tough circumstances during COVID, at night, in a limited window, and the team performed brilliantly.